If you want to mirror screen from Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro onto another device, then in that case you can open Settings. Now over here in Settings you should be able to go to more connectivity options, and then in here we have wireless display. You can turn this option on, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to find that other device that you want to connect to. So then you can select it from this list and you should be able to start casting and sharing the screen. Keep in mind that ideally you want to use the same Wi-Fi on both your Xiaomi and that other device that you want to connect to, in case of course you have trouble with detecting your device. Also make sure that it supports Android devices and it is powered on. There is also one more option that you might want to check in case this one fails, and that is the interconnectivity. So if you go to interconnectivity, then in here we have the cast option, which you can of course turn on as well. So then you might be able to find your device in here on this list, but I believe this is more for a non-Xiaomi, well, more for Xiaomi devices, but as you can see it also works for non-Xiaomi devices. So essentially we have two options that you can use, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.